Some things are more than legends, they're icons. The F-22 Raptor is one of those icons. It's not just a plane, it's a phantom that rules the sky. When you think of air power, you think of this jet. It's the ultimate symbol of strength, a silent king on its throne in the clouds. Imagine a machine so advanced it feels like it's from the future. That's the Raptor, graceful, powerful, untouchable. It can outmaneuver any opponent and strike without being seen. This jet is the peak of human engineering, a promise to protect the skies. Its presence is a warning. Challenge it, and you'll lose. The F-22 is more than metal and wires. It's a statement of technological dominance. Built to be leagues ahead, it's the apex predator of the skies. When it takes flight, it carries a nation's pride. It's the benchmark for all other fighters, and nothing comes close. Like bringing a starship to a knife fight, it's just not fair. The Raptor is shrouded in mystery, its secrets closely guarded. Its pilots are the best of the best, trusted with America's most powerful weapon in the air. The Raptor is a ghost story other pilots whisper about. A flicker on the radar, then nothing. That's the Raptor at work, the silent hunter, the unseen force. It's the phantom king of the sky, and its reign is absolute. This machine makes you believe in the impossible. It's a marvel of modern times, inspiring awe and respect. The F-22 is not just a jet, it's a legend that defines air dominance. It's the guardian that watches over us, a promise kept. Every flight is a reminder the sky belongs to the Raptor. Its legacy is unmatched, its power undisputed. The F-22 is the ultimate deterrent, a silent threat that keeps the peace. It's a masterpiece of military aviation. The Raptor is the standard by which all others are measured. And so far nothing has even come close. The legend of the F-22 continues to soar. To understand the Raptor, you have to go back to the Cold War. The world was tense, two superpowers locked in a technological arms race. The Soviets built faster, more powerful jets, and America needed a game-changer. Enter the Advanced Tactical Fighter program. The mission was to create a jet that could not be beaten. It had to be stealthy, fast, agile, and smarter than anything else in the sky. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a revolution. Lockheed and Northrop built prototypes, the YF-22 and YF-23. Both looked like science fiction, flying faster than sound without afterburners, nearly invisible to radar. After years of testing, the YF-22 was chosen. It became the F-22 Raptor. Born from the need to stay ahead, it was designed to win against the best the Soviets could build. The Cold War ended, but the Raptor's mission didn't. It became a symbol of American air power for a new century, ready for any threat, from any corner of the globe. The F-22 was forged in rivalry, but it became a sentinel for a dangerous world. Its creation marked a new era in aerial warfare. The Raptor is a product of ambition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of air superiority. It's a guardian built for a world that never stops changing. The legend began in the Cold War, and it's still writing history. The Raptor's greatest trick? Stealth. It's not about being invisible to the eye, but to radar. Its sharp angles scatter radar waves, and special paint absorbs them. The engines are buried deep, their heat signature cooled, making it hard for missiles to find. Weapons are hidden inside, keeping the jet's shape smooth and stealthy. Every detail, from doors to screws, is designed for invisibility. This gives the F-22 a massive advantage. It can enter enemy airspace undetected. It sees enemies long before they see it, like having an invisibility cloak. The pilot chooses when and where to fight, striking with total surprise. The enemy never knows what hit them. This changes the rules of engagement. The F-22 also combines stealth with Supercruise, flying supersonic without afterburners. It covers vast distances quickly, staying stealthy the whole time. No other jet matches this combination of speed, stealth, and agility. The Raptor is a true predator, fast, silent, deadly. It's a whisper in a world of shouts, a shadow that moves unseen. Stealth isn't just a feature, it's the foundation of the Raptor's dominance. The F-22 rewrote the playbook for air combat. It's the ultimate hunter, always one step ahead. In the world of modern warfare, disappearing is the deadliest art, and the Raptor is its master. A predator needs sharp claws, and the F-22s are the deadliest in the sky. Its weapons are hidden inside, keeping it stealthy until the moment to strike. Bay doors snap open, missiles launch, doors close. Seconds later, the Raptor is a ghost again. It carries a mix of air-to-air missiles and smart bombs, ready for any mission. But the Raptor's brain is as sharp as its claws. Advanced sensors and radar let it see enemies from hundreds of miles away, tracking many targets at once, without revealing its own position. It's the quarterback of the sky, sharing information and directing the fight. Stealth, sensors, and weapons combine for total dominance. The rule is simple. First look, first shot, first kill. The Raptor sees first, shoots first, and wins, often before the enemy knows it's there. The cockpit is designed for the pilot, with clear screens and instant information. Thrust vectoring engines make the jet incredibly agile, able to outdance any opponent in a dogfight. The F-22 was built to ensure victory, leaving no doubt about the outcome. It's not a fair fight, it's an ambush. The Raptor's pilot is part of a system designed for dominance. Every detail from sensors to engines works together for one purpose: air superiority. The F-22 is the undisputed king of the air. Its claws are hidden but always ready. The Raptor is a hunter that never misses its prey. In the sky, nothing is more feared. The F-22's legacy is written in every victory. It's the ultimate predator. The F-22 Raptor is an American treasure, too precious to share. From the start, it was for the US Air Force only. Never for export, not even to close allies. Countries like Japan and Australia asked to buy it. The answer was always no. The technology is too sensitive, a national secret protected by law. The Obey Amendment bans its sale to any foreign country. If the jet fell into the wrong hands, its secrets could be exposed. The risk was too great, the advantage too valuable. Keeping the F-22 exclusive sends a message: this jet is in a class of its own. Enemies know they can't buy it, copy it, or match it. They can only face it. That psychological edge is a weapon itself. The Raptor's exclusivity protects American air power and its defense industry. Maintenance, upgrades, and security stay in US hands. The F-22 is a strategic national asset kept under lock and key. Like the crown jewels, it's reserved for American eyes only. The Raptor's secrets remain safe, and its legend grows. When you're the king, everyone wants your crown. The F-22 Raptor sits atop air combat, challenged by Russia's Su-57 and China's J-20. These are fifth-generation stealth fighters, but they're not the Raptor. The F-22 was first tested, refined, and proven. The others are still catching up. The F-35 Lightning II is the Raptor's younger cousin, advanced but designed for different missions. The F-22 is a specialist. Air superiority is its only job. It's faster, more agile, and stealthier from all angles. Against the Su-57 and J-20, the Raptor's all-aspect stealth and thrust vectoring give it the edge. Most importantly, the F-22 has experience. Pilots and crews know its strengths inside out. The jet is constantly upgraded, always evolving. That's how it stays ahead. While others are still learning, the Raptor is preparing for tomorrow's threats. It remains the benchmark, the fighter all others must measure up to. And none have matched it yet. The F-22's dominance is about more than the jet. It's the whole system: training, support, and relentless improvement. The Raptor is always one step ahead. Its reign continues, unchallenged. The world keeps trying, but the king still rules the sky. The F-22 is the standard, and the legend only grows. Today, the F-22 Raptor is the tip of the spear. It's the first in when conflict starts, flying deep, invisible, and deadly. Raptors hunt down enemy air defenses, clear the skies, and open the way for the rest of the force. They make the entire Air Force stronger, a true force multiplier. The F-22 protects bombers, feeds information, and makes every other aircraft more effective. Its presence alone sends a powerful message. The US is serious. Deploying Raptors deters aggression and reassures allies. The fleet is small, about 180 jets, making each one precious. They're carefully managed, upgraded, and deployed where needed most. Even with the production line closed, the Raptor remains at the forefront. It's the guardian that ensures American air power can dominate anywhere. The F-22 unlocks the door to any battlefield. For years to come, it will remain the tip of the spear. The sky is its domain. The F-22 Raptor is more than a fighter jet. It's a legend. Born from Cold War tension, it became the ultimate weapon of air superiority. For decades, it has set the standard no other aircraft can reach. Its legacy is in the peace it keeps and the technology it inspired. The F-35 owes much to the Raptor's innovations. The Raptor proved a stealthy, supersonic, super-agile fighter was possible. It changed what the world thought a jet could be. Even as new threats emerge, the F-22 remains unmatched. Its balance of stealth, speed, agility, and awareness is unique. The Raptor is the benchmark for air dominance. Its legend is secure, a symbol of ingenuity and resolve. The phantom in the sky, the king above all. The F-22 Raptor, a legacy forged in the heavens.